Hey Denise, what's this button on the rear door for? Great question, Solon. That's a child safety door lock. Let's learn about it together. It's especially important for, let's say, hyperactive kids, kind of like you. A child's safety locks are crucial. They prevent the rear doors from being opened from the inside. This keeps children safe, especially when the car is moving. To use it, you simply push down this button like this. But on other cars, you can use the key or the screwdriver. Let's see what happens when Solon tries to open the door with the safety lock activated. Oh no, I can't open the door! And that's the point, Solon. It keeps you safe, but until we arrive, you could do a few things. Read this magazine and enjoy a cup of coffee. Or child safety locks also protect parents from getting distracted by ensuring a child can't accidentally open the door. And remember, parents, when you arrive, it's important to deactivate the lock and open the door for your child. This prevents them from feeling trapped, and that's how a child safety door lock works, keeping everyone safe and giving a parent a peace of mind.